Hey, Josh from CandleScience here to talk about our mountain mist fragrance oil. The inspiration for this scent comes from the Japanese term Shinrin-yoku, or forest bathing, which is simply the practice of basking in the forest atmosphere. With this fragrance, the team captured the rejuvenating, tranquil feeling that can only come from a connection to the natural world. And for all the pine lovers, this scent proves that pine isn't just for the holidays. Let's take a look at how that's reflected in the note profile. This scent contains cool, airy top notes of ozone, green floral, mint, marine, and apple. Middle notes of green leaves and eucalyptus keep freshness present, while moss, balsam, and sandalwood provide a grounded connection to the base. For blending, you can enhance mountain mist by adding a delicate floral. We thought gardenia and tuberose was a really great fit, or like other pine scents, it's hard to go wrong with a combination featuring fireside. Imagining a peaceful mountainside may help inform your colors and branding. Let's take a look at these for inspiration. Go ahead and take a journey with mountain mist and let us know what you think in the comments or tag us on social with your video review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.